Good morning, students. Let's continue with the English lesson number 5, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Open your books to page number 18. Now, students, in the previous period, we have seen how an invitation is sent or how a notice is written. We have seen 2 examples, and 1 example you have written in your English composition notebook. So, take page number 18. Teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. The teachers called some special invitees through phone calls. And here is an example or a sample of such telephone conversation. So let's see how it is done or how the way of communication is done. So let's begin. Receptionist says, "Hello, Girgaon Times." Now the receptionist is answering. She is telling, "Hello, it's Girgaon Times." Teacher, "Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please?" So the teacher is saying and talking and telling the receptionist that he wants to talk to Mr. Shashank. He is the news editor. And he is even telling his name, that is, he is Vishwas Ajinkya. He is even mentioning his school name. It's New Vision High School. So the receptionist is saying, "Just a second." She's saying, "Just a second." Teacher, "Thank you." News editor, "Hello, Mr. Ajinkya. Shashank speaking. How are you?" So the editor is talking to Mr. Ajinkya. Teacher, "Fine. How are you?" News editor, "Fine." Teacher, "Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today." So the teacher, Mr. Ajinkya, is inviting Mr. Shashank and he is telling that there is an invitation because there is an inauguration of a small social work project in the school campus and it is on Sunday. So he is inviting him officially. Now officially means not as a friendly but officially. If it is friendly, then he could have gone to his house or he could have just invited him in a friendly way. But here he is using official invitation. News editor, "I see." Teacher, "Our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will send a trend for all the schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently." Now the teacher is telling that the importance of this function is to make the students aware of their social or society's responsibilities. And if it is done, then it will be a trend for all the schools and students to follow. And so he is telling to the news editor that he would like and the school would like the paper, that is the newspaper, to cover the function prominently, important. It is the main topic of the speech or the communication. The news editor says, "Well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. But as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function?" So the news editor is telling, "Yes, it's very important thing, but I'm still busy. But still, I will try to do it because it's a good project and children should learn." So he's asking when is the function. So the teacher is saying this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor, "Fine, I have made a note of it." News editor says that okay, I have made a note, that I have written it and I will try to come. The teacher is saying thank you very much. Now see, this is a conversation between two people and it is official. Like if it is informal, you can say okay, please come and all these things you can add. But here you have to use formal language. So have you understood, children? Now take the next page. Students passed on the message to their parents. Here's a sample. Now students were told there's an inauguration function. All these things were noted by the children. So now we'll see how there is a conversation between the students and their parents. Page number 19. Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. Samir informed his parents that on the 9th, Sunday, both of you are invited to school. What's the occasion? What's the occasion? The parents asked him. Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There's a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of Standard 7 are invited with their parents. So Samir answered the question and he told his parents that the school is going to have a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, and it is going to be inaugurated on Sunday at 10 sharp in the morning, and Standard 7 students are invited with their parents. Where is it? The parents asked, where is it? The venue. In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? So the parents asked, okay, school assembly hall, but how long will it take? About an hour. Mr. Naik will be there too. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. So he told his mother and father that it will only take hardly an hour, and Mrs. Naik will be the chief guest. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? So they understood it and they said, okay, but what is the project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. So he said, we are going to visit places and work for other people, help them, and turn by turn. Today one group will go, next time other group. And so he said that all these things will be explained to you, parents, on the inauguration day. So it is on Sunday. So you are invited. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? So his parents asked, the mother asked him, are you going to participate? He said, yes, Mummy. Let's see, Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. So the mother said, let's see, your daddy can't come, we both can't go, but one of us surely will try to accompany you. Means, may try to accompany you, that is, come with you. That would be nice, because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. So he said that our teacher has asked every child to tell their parents about this inaugural function, and he has asked everybody to be present there. So students, you saw the communication between the child and his parents, and here you saw between the receptionist and the teacher. So you can understand both are different. Here in a friendly, in a homely way he is speaking, and here as a official language. So students, now what you have to do is, you have to prepare one more conversation like this one, that is on page number 18 and on page number 19. Page number 19 you can have with your mother or your father, and you can write on your own in your activity book. So both these pages you have to read it once again, and in the same way you have to use your own sentences, own ideas, own venue, and you have to write it down. So now students, turn your book to page number 20. Now just go through the questions that are on this page. You can see there are some questions. Try to read those questions and try to answer them. So you'll finish it, and next period we'll see the next part. Okay, thank you.